The Real McCoy Rum comes from the story of Bill McCoy, the pioneer rum runner of the Prohibition era. McCoy was the first person in January of 1920 to fill a boat full of rum down in the Caribbean and sail it up to New York City, acting as a floating liquor store 3 miles offshore. But McCoy never actually broke the Prohibition law, because in 1920, the international boundary was only 3 miles offshore, and he was very careful never to enter U.S. waters. Other rum runners soon copied McCoy and began bringing their own ships full of alcohol up to New York. But they usually watered down or adulterated the alcohol with wicked chemicals like turpentine, wood alcohol, and prune juice, which became known as booze, hooch, and rot gut. McCoy never did any of that. He maintained a high standard of quality, and that's why he and his product became known around the world as the Real McCoy. Today, the Real McCoy is made at the Foursquare Distillery on the Caribbean island of Barbados. Master distiller Richard Seal represents the 4th generation of family rum making. Foursquare Distillery is located on a 100-acre sugarcane farm in St. Philip, Barbados. Every spring, the cane is harvested and shipped to the local sugar mill, where it is converted to top-quality blackstrap molasses. Foursquare uses molasses from both Barbados and Guyana because of the consistent, high-quality supply. The distillery itself was recently renovated, and although it is open to the public as a Barbados heritage site, it is a completely self-sufficient, environmentally conscious facility, where each step of the rum-making process is conducted with precision, commitment to quality, and attention to detail. Our fermentation process is temperature and pressure controlled, that provides the first step in establishing the Real McCoy flavor profile. The Real McCoy is a traditional Barbados rum, produced by blending rum from a 2-column coffee still with rum from a copper pot still. The coffee still produces a light flavored distillate as the base of the blend, while the pot still generates a heavy, flavorful rum that balances well with the light coffee still rum. This gives the Real McCoy its balanced flavor profile. Maturation is where we use top-quality oak barrels to store the rum so that it can age to maturity. The barrels are stored in one of 4 massive aging houses, where over time they impart flavors from the lignins and tannins in the wood. Following Bill McCoy's Prohibition tradition, we don't add any artificial flavors or perfumes. Unlike many other rum makers, we don't add prune juice, raisin juice, molasses, or refined white sugar to hide the taste of a product that is rushed to market. With the Real McCoy, what you see is what you get. Nothing but top quality rum that is handcrafted, authentically barrel aged, and known around the world as the very best. We have 3 expressions of the Real McCoy rum: the 3-year aged rum, our 5-year aged rum, and our super premium 12-year aged rum. The 3-year aged rum is unique in comparison to other white rums because it is authentically aged for 3 years in American oak bourbon barrels, causing the rum to be naturally smooth with subtle spice, wood notes, and bright floral overtones. We then filter the 3-year rum, which removes the color, but doesn't strip away the fantastic flavors or aroma, providing a balanced rum unique unto the world. Our 5-year rum is produced in exactly the same fashion, except it's unfiltered, so it maintains its silky golden amber color. This rum is soft and balanced, with hints of vanilla, toasted caramel, honey, and bourbon-aged wood. It is recognized around the world as a truly exceptional, handcrafted, barrel-aged rum. Our 12-year aged super premium rum is mature and balanced, with complex wood and spice notes, and a warm, elegant finish. It also has a deep, rich amber color, which can come from 12 years of aging in top-quality wooden casks. These are the elements that make the Real McCoy what it is today: top-quality blackstrap molasses, talented craftsmanship, authentic barrel aging, and an uncompromising commitment to actually deliver a rum that is worthy of the name the Real McCoy. Together, these 3 expressions of the Real McCoy rum have won dozens of prestigious awards around the world. They have been the subject of numerous magazine articles and have been showcased in rum festivals in London, Paris, Berlin, and all over the United States. For anyone looking for a flavor-forward rum for mixed cocktails, a truly exceptional, handcrafted, barrel-aged rum, or an absolute top-quality super premium rum that rivals every other spirit in the world, the Real McCoy Rum delivers the goods. This rum lives up to its name. It actually is the Real McCoy.